I never thought I would have the strength to come back here. It happened so unexpectedly. Nana passed, and suddenly I'm here to sort out her things. It's strange to relive memories that I pushed to the back of my mind for so many years.
Come on, honey, dinner's ready.
Okay, I'm coming.
We were so happy here for a little while.
Please, why aren't you taking the medicine?
What's the point? Prolonging the inevitable?
You have to tell her.
There's no reason for her to see me suffer even longer.
She can't just not know.
Mommy? Daddy? Is everything okay? Mommy! Come dance with me. Mommy!
Hold on, sweetie. I have to get the phone.
Hello? Ma'am?
Yes? What's going on?
I'm afraid your husband's been in an accident.
Oh my god. No. No, please.
Mommy, did something happen to Daddy?
It's impossible to conceive. Imagine preparing to lose one parent when you're just a child, and then you lose two.
I don't want Nana to move in. Don't leave me. You can't leave me.
Shh. It's okay. I'm not leaving you. This is just a part of life. I know it's hard to understand now, but you have to love life despite it.
Please don't go, Mom. Please stay awake.
I love you, honey, but it's time for me to rest now.
It's too late to go back and change things. I was so cruel to my Nana, even though she was just trying to help me. But how are you supposed to help a child understand why bad things happen? Weeks passed, then months, and then years. But now, I understand now. I know why I had to go through all of that. It's only because I loved my parents so deeply that I was able to grieve them so strongly. Love isn't something I hide from anymore. I used to be too afraid of loss. My parents taught me that love is worth the pain. The sorrow is inevitable, but so is the joy. You have to love despite the heartache. I have a long way to go before I meet you. And to be honest, I'm terrified. But I'm also excited. And when you're born, I know that the greatest gift I can give to you is the love that your grandparents gave to me. Love is what broke me, but it also built me. It built you. One day, I'll have to leave, and love will break you too. But you'll be strong and heal, and you'll learn to embrace love again. All of it.